What's up, YouTube? Made it to Chimney Rock, North Carolina. Check out that mountain view up there. There is a waterfall here. I can't remember the name of it. I'll put a title in the video as soon as I figure out what it was called. But it was in the movie Last of the Mohicans. Let's see if I can't get a good view of that. I think I might see it here around this corner. So Chimney Rock is a very touristy type place, and it's literally out in the middle of nowhere. And it's kind of like Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge in Tennessee, if you've ever been there. And I don't know if you can see it up there. I think there's the waterfall up there. See it way up there. That is, like I said, they filmed Last of the Mohicans up there. And if you watch that movie, it's towards the end, if I remember correctly, where there was like a fight. I think that's where it was at. And you can actually go up there through the Chimney Rock State Park. I didn't make it that far the last time I was here, but I did. They take a bus. You park and you take a bus all the way to the top. It's like a zigzag road, right? And then you have to walk, and then there's you can take stairs up to different parts of Chimney Rock, and eventually, if you wanted to, you can go to that waterfall. But it's a hike, is what I understand. But beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And as you can see, as I come in here a little bit more, it's pretty crowded. You have to basically park and walk this place. But it's, you know, it's a neat place. I mean, if you like doing stuff like that, and you know, just going around different little shops in the area, like outdoor stuff. A lot of motorcyclists come through here. There is a Chimney Rock Harley Davidson. It's not a full dealership. There's a Chimney Rock State Park that I was mentioning. So yeah, the Harley dealership is not a full dealership. It is just like clothing. But if you want a poker chip, stop and get you one. I think we're going to stop up here at the Harley dealership. Maybe do a little bit of walking. Apparently there's people that walk in the road with their kids because, I don't know, they're just smart. I don't know. Let's see if I can get in here.
Out here on the river walk in Chimney Rock. Along the river here. Beautiful area. Let's come check it out. Just went through the Chimney Rock Harley Davidson. It's not a full service shop, just clothing, but cool little place. Cool shirts. If you rode the Sidewinder, there's some shirts in there for that, some poker chips. I'm watching Dan up here in his muscle shirt. He's gonna fall down probably. I have to fish him out. Alright, made it to Lake Lure. Nice cool breeze out here. Kind of looks like, well, I'll just show you. Check out that mountainside near the lake. Got a water slide.